right now we are open to sell the Phase 5.
Phase 5.
Oo.
That's one of my favorite actually, sir. Offering lot only.
Yes.
So, kasi the advantage of sa lot is you could build your own design. And when it comes sa design, sir, what are the restrictions or ano ba yung kailangan nilang sundin na theme? Kasi sir, some of the unit owners or buyers are really looking forward kung pasok ba sa design ni developer. So what's the theme? I believe it's Modern Asian. Modern Asian,
Yeah,
right?
Modern Asian and minimalist.
Minimalist.
Oo. So, the very salient point to remember is that the facade should not be parang very parang meticulously designed, no, na parang mabulaklak or makulay, no. We tend to choose on the earth colors. And then we avoid yung mga corner windows, no? Yung mga corner windows. So very conservative, no? But on the inside of the unit, bahala na si buyer doon. Oo.